Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your operating system and exact GPU model so you download the correct package. This prevents mismatches that break display drivers. Open Device Manager on Windows or run LSBCI on Linux and note Vendor Plus model. Once done, create a system restore point or snapshot and export any GPU profiles. This protects settings if the update misbehaves. Make sure you have admin rights and a reliable internet connection. Proceed to the vendor download page. You now download the official driver for your exact GPU and OS. Picking the wrong series will fail. For NVIDIA, choose Game Ready or Studio based on your use. For AMD or Intel, pick the WHQL/stable package. Once the installer is downloaded, run it as administrator. Select the clean install or perform a manual uninstall of the old driver via Device Manager or add/remove programs. Then run the installer and follow prompts. This reduces conflicts and ensures fresh settings. You finish by rebooting and verifying the new driver version in Device Manager or the vendor control panel. This confirms the update applied. Next, run a game or benchmark briefly to make sure performance and stability are normal. If you encounter crashes, black screens, or degraded performance, roll back the driver immediately or boot into safe mode to perform a clean reinstall. One key tip: always keep the previous driver package handy so you can revert quickly if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.